Hello guys, I'm Crystallo, and in this video I will show you how to make future bass drop using FL Studio stock plugins. First set the BPM to 151, and load a piano, then make a drop melody. Now replace the drop melody with some layer of leads. On drop lead channel I have equalizer for cutting low and harsh frequencies, and blood overdrive for thickness, and sound goodizer for saturation, and another equalizer for cutting some harsh frequencies, then peak controller and fruity reverb, and fruity balancer for sidechaining. Now add some layer of chords. On chord channel I have a equalizer for cutting low frequencies, blood overdrive for thickness, and sound goodizer for saturation, another equalizer for cutting lows, stereo enhancer for widening, peak controller and fruity reverb, gross beat for sidechaining. Now add some layer of bass line. Now add drums, percussion and effects.